You know we have a severe weather threat and where the greatest risk for tornadoes will be. Plus, flooding rains continue to be a problem absolutely as we go through the weekend. We do know it's going to just continue to pile up. Well, record temperatures for your Christmas day, but when will it actually feel like Christmas? We have that answer coming. You have been enjoying unusually warm temperatures, but let me tell you, a change is on the way. We are going to see a cool down heading for next week, so enjoy the warmth now. But as we show you, compared to average, as we look at Burlington, Boston, New York, all of you have actually above average for temperatures for the month of December. For Burlington, almost 14 degrees. For New York, 13.1. So this warmth is unusual for this time of the year, but reality is certainly coming back. By Monday, we'll see those temperatures dropping. For today, we're forecasting high for you Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. 63 degrees for you, New York. 68 degrees in Philadelphia. If you go back in time, you can see back in 1964, we saw some of these record temperatures. Well, now it looks like they could be in jeopardy. As we jump ahead through Sunday, it stays warm. It's going to be nice. Look at that, 69 degrees, but certainly Philadelphia 72. You have to go all the way back to 1949 when the high temperature was 64 degrees. We're smashing those records on Christmas Day.
We really are.
We are. Joining us on Weather Center Live, I'm meteorologist Jennifer Delgado.
And I'm meteorologist Nick Walker. And also with us is meteorologist Jessica Arnoldi doing the graphics for us. A great job keeping up with some of the severe weather problems this morning.
Yeah, it's just really...
So once again, another severe weather threat.
Flash flooding in the same areas now.
It will be. And then, of course, we've got the winter storm to talk about, too. And we'll be talking more about Goliath and its impacts, not only in the west, but also eventually into the northeast.
I like ice.
No.
Only in your drinks, right? Well, coming up, we're going to be looking at Northern California, where they've seen something quite unusual. It's been very hard to find across parts of the east as well as the Midwest. Well, there's some good news if you're hoping for some snow. It's all coming from Winter Storm Goliath, and Goliath is going to be trekking all across parts of the country. And as we show you, for parts of the upper Midwest, in the plains, we already have winter storm warnings in effect, and these are going to go through Saturday evening. Some of those may even go a little bit longer. Winter weather advisory, and this is because we're going to be looking at several inches of snowfall. Some of these locations are going to be 7 inches. Sioux Falls looks like 6 for you. And then we look at parts of Chamberlain. As we looked at the radar, we do know that it's starting to pick up a little bit, but certainly going to pick up intensity as we go later into the day. We're going to time this out. This is Friday at 6 o'clock. Rapid City, Sioux Falls, you all are dealing with some of the snow. Now, if you notice, those winds are going to be coming in, and you can see where the circulation is. With that area low pressure, the cold air on the backside, and that is what's going to be producing the snow around, the winds coming in from the north. It's going to be windy at times too. No, you're not going to be dealing with a blizzard condition like parts of Texas, but this is Saturday. This is at 10 a.m. and then we go throughout the afternoon. We'll start to see some clearing from west to east, but even with sunshine coming, you're going to struggle to make it out of the single digits. Look at that, 4 degrees, 18 for Minneapolis and 13 for high in Sioux Falls. The winds coming in from the north, and then notice even for Des Moines and Omaha, you're back down to the 30s as well as even into the 20s. And then we're not done with just yet. Another round comes through, because what we're really going to be looking at is really kind of 3 pieces of energy as we go all the way through Monday, bringing the snowfall with Goliath. Here's Tuesday, 9 o'clock, and more snow trying to work in. But again, that's going to be in the tail end. But a lot of the energy is going to be over to the east. Nick.